here you can just manage kg, number of pieces, whatever the quantities you wanted to make the sales at. And here you can just have database backup and restore, and this is just for your admin side purpose. And also you need to enter the card number of your swiping card for the login purpose. And the employee basis, the payroll type also you can manage. Wallet, loyalty card. Here you can just create the loyalty card, and everything you can just manage from here. How much the amount, single point earnings, that kind of informations, each point of value, everything you can manage from here. And wallet, you can just create the wallet and everything from here. And bankings, your complete transaction, bank accounts management, you can just do from here. And this is a products master, where you will just add your products and update your price and everything. And credit customer account creations and their credit payment entry, everything you can manage here. Ledger and all. And supplier, you need to create it. Supplier account, you have to create it from here. Supplier means the one who provide the materials to your shops, where you're going to purchase your shop materials. And the purchase order, purchase entry, here you can just manage your purchase entries. See this purchase entry, when you do these entries, you can just only update your sales rate. This will affect in your retail cost only, and the rest of price you need to manage from the product master. Products master, you can find it from here. Here you need to update your price. So for that you need to click on get data and choose the items. Like this you can load, and the retail cost is 3, and the all sales you cost, if you want, you can just make it 2. And same as retail cost, you can just make it, click over here, and it will automatically copy from the retail cost. And this is the another option, so which can use price list. Here, see, suppose in case if you are having a multiple the same item with different barcodes, in case the previous batch or like that, in that case you can just choose these options with the different price and barcode and all. So and just click this, and you can just add your barcode of the same item with different barcode, and how much available quantity is available, that also you can enter here. This is just for the stock adjustment, which is available in your store and warehouse. And sales return, purchase return, sales return, and voucher or expense. See, this is the option you can make it use for just for your like your electricity bills and your shop rent, what all the expense you have, direct and indirect expense in your shop, it is that you need to manage and feed it over here. And this is a supplier payment. Supplier means the supplier account, you will create it here, and in case if you have purchased any item, any bill from the supplier, credits, so when you are making the payment to the supplier, that time you need to feed that payment details over here. So the balance, the rest of how much balance you need to provide to that supplier will display over here. This is option for creating barcode. You can just create the products, you can just type the product name or the category name, whatever it is, or else you can just load all the items also. From here you can select the list of item which you wanted to create the barcodes and click on generate. Number of copies, how much you want, that also you can mention 6 pieces. Then you can just click on generate. Currency you can just update it from the back end. This will show you, I'll show you in case if you wanted AED, then I'll show you how to make it. 1 minute. See, the currency is changed over here. And here you can see all this kind of different type of reports, accounting reports, balance sheet, purchase daybook, trial balance, everything, customer receipt, and this available stock informations in the store, ledgers, commissions, commission for this salesman's or this commission agent, lost stock, expired products, out of stocks, available stocks, out of store inventory. This information, this in these sections you can see this, your available stock details and the lost stock items, everything you can get it from this here. This is just for your warehouse stock details. And journal entry, profit and loss, balance sheet, tax summary, everything you can just have the details from here. And also you can get the deleted invoice details also. This is the input tax and this is output tax, sales returns, supplier payments, the expenses details, purchase returns, and here you can just see the dashboard with charts. The total sales and every informations. Total sales invoice created and total cash sales, total sales and output taxes, how much is, and the total receipts, purchases, input tax, expenses, everything you can just see in one window. And this is for the credit card sales, how much debit card sales you made and wallet sales, and total products sold, new customer, and how much new credit customer and new customers you created, and everything. All this information you can just have here also. How much quotations you created, and the SAP payroll, salary pending, and all this kind of information. Paid salary, supplier outstanding, customer outstanding. So that's it. And one more window is available that I will show you. Let me log out and see, this is another window. And this is not suitable for this monitor. In that you need to have little bigger monitor screen size. That's it. Thank you for watching.